Hi, my name is Amy Klein. I am here on behalf of Expert Village to show you how to create hemp jewelry. And now for the half knot. You're going to take strands on one side, and for the purpose of this I'm just going to use one just to show you. You take your one strand on the left and you want to lay it over the drone strands, creating a loop on the left side. Then you take your right strand and you lay it over the left on the right side. Now what you're going to do is bring that under both the drone strands and under the loop that you created on the left side. And that becomes the strand on the left side. The one from the left has become the strand on the right side. And you've got yourself a half knot. And as you can see, when you pull it tight, you have a half knot tied right there. Now, to create this into a square knot, we're going to start on the opposite side that we did our first half knot from. So we're going to start with the right side, and you lay that right side over your drone strands, creating the loop. Take your left side over the right side on this side, under the drone strands, and up through the loop you created, and you pull it tight. And you can see that now you have a square knot. So to continue, you go back to the opposite side. It goes over, this one goes over and then back up and under, and to the other side, and then you pull it tight. And then you start with the opposite side again. You have it over, and then this over that, and then up through the loop, and you pull it tight, and then you can see that we've started a half knot sinnet. Actually, this is a square knot sinnet, which will end up looking like this. When you've got all your alternating half knots, you create a square knot sinnet, which is basically just a series of knots that creates the pattern.